Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this jerk chicken sandwich. Perfect for your husband, boyfriends. It's nice and thick and hefty. And so yeah, let's get into it. This is super simple, super easy. You want to season your chicken with this spice right here. I am not cooking the chicken on the grill, so anything that have like a smoky flavor, or if you have smoked paprika, use that. Totally fine. Keeping it simple. This is the only spice I'm using at this point right here. I'm not adding extra salt. If you feel like you need it, use it, but make sure you season your chicken liberally no matter what you're using. You need to season your chicken. This is a jerk marinade that I'll be using. By the way, I'm about to give y'all my jerk marinade that I was selling. I'm actually going to give it to y'all for free. Y'all can have it because I'm not going to sell it again. So make sure you look forward to that. And make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like, the bell. Make sure you follow me on social media. So these are 3 hefty chicken breasts. So I added ample amount of jerk marinade. Then I'm going to drizzle on some honey for extra sweetness and just to balance everything out. Honestly, some of this chicken I'm probably going to throw into a salad as well. I haven't been eating bread on my little journey. So, you know, I'm making this for my babe. And he wanted a sandwich. I decided to make a jerk chicken sandwich and, you know, call it good. The goal of this here is for it to look like, you know, those deli turkey chicken, whatever packaged stuff that is that they give you in the supermarket. I don't buy it. I'm pretty much trying to make it look like that. So this is actually the day before that I'm marinating the chicken in the morning. So now I have it in the air fryer. I'm going to cook it off in the air fryer. You can cook it however you want, bake it, whatever. I'm throwing it in the air fryer. All 3 pieces took about 12 minutes to cook on 370. Everyone's air fryer is different. Also, my chicken was room temperature. Do not cook cold meat and then come in the comments getting all, you know, riled up because you cook cold meat. Okay, so the next day, as you can see, I'm ready to go. I have sourdough bread, I have tomatoes, micro broccoli. You can use whatever lettuce you want, whatever cheese you want. This is the cheese I am using because it's what I have. And this is a chicken. Now, do you see how it looks like the deli meat the next day? I'm actually still going to pop it into the microwave for about 30 seconds just to get the chill off. And now we're just going to build a sandwich. You could build it however you want. Use mayo, non-fat, plain Greek yogurt. Any secret sauce you prefer on your sandwiches, you could go ahead, you're good to go. Next, I'm going to lay out my tomatoes nice and beautiful and pretty. Make sure you season your tomatoes. You can use the same seasoning that you used on the chicken, or you could use a unsalted seasoning for that, but make sure you season it. Add your lettuce down or whatever green you prefer to use. Sprinkle it with a little lemon juice. We're just building flavors here, guys. Sprinkle it with lemon juice. And now I'm going to add the chicken right on top. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And first of all, this whole thing just smells amazing and looks amazing. All right, so this is how it looks. And now I'm going to add the cheese. I'm actually going to torch the cheese because I want to melt it a little bit. Now, the reason why I didn't do this whole thing in the microwave, you know, or however you heat up your food, is because I don't want to overcook the chicken. You can overcook the chicken regardless. So I'm just going to torch it. If you're comfortable putting the cheese on top and popping it in the microwave or your toaster oven or however, go ahead. But I'm just going to torch it. No, I'm not trying to be bougie. I knew I had to torch. I torched it. Simple. If you don't want your cheese melted, you don't have to melt it. Now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. Look how beautiful this is. It's nice and healthy and hefty. It is hefty, honey. This is how you make a man sandwich, nice and hefty. When they out there making that money to pay these bills in these houses, okay, he come home to this hefty man sandwich. That's the point. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all for y'all support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.